Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I'm back with a haul for you, but this is going to be a kind of a long one because I've got some dollar store stuff, I've got some thrift store stuff, and then I have some Christmas ornaments from different places that I bought that were just too cute to pass up, and they fit perfect with what I'm doing this year for Christmas. So first we're going to start with my Christmas ornaments because they're my favorites, I just have to say. I got this cute little, I think this came, yeah, this was Walmart. It's 9 mini glass ornaments, and they're in the bright colors like I'm using, and I just thought those were so cute, and I don't have to do a thing to them, so I got those. And these are from Walmart also. It's the cute little cupcakes in the bright colors, so I'm going to use those. And these were $1.98 for 6, and I believe these were $3.98. That's a little more than I wanted to pay, but they were cute. And now here's for the fun things. A llama! Look at this. This adorable little llama. This was $1.98 at Walmart, so I couldn't pass that up. I had to get that little llama. And then here's another llama. It was $1.98. It's so precious. I love llamas. Y'all know I love llamas. And this is another Walmart one. This was also $1.98. This darling little llama. So, and now this one was from Hobby Lobby, and it was regularly $3.99, but I got it on sale half price, so it was $2. So that was so cute. And then I got this cute little pink snowman. This came from Walmart also, and it was 98 cents. So I just thought that was adorable and had my little pink on it. So that is my ornament haul. So I'm going to be decorating the Christmas tree here soon. I promised myself if I don't get it up today, I'm not putting it up. So I am definitely getting it up today. Let me put these out of the way. Now, I found these at Goodwill, of all places, and the box was a little crushed, but I didn't mind that because here are pink and teal gnomes still in the package. I think I paid 98 cents. It wasn't much, 98 cents. Just 3 little gnomes. Those are adorable. So I got those from our tree, and I don't have to do a thing to them. They're fine. And I found a couple of more Christmas things, and then just some household stuff. I found these napkin rings with stars on them, and they're painted Americana, but I am going to make them Christmas to go on my table. I'm a DIY, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all may see that too. But I got 5 of them for $1.90. Which I thought was, no, I got 6. Got 2, 4, 6 of them for $1.90. So I grabbed those. And I got this. He's broken and he's very sad. I got him for $2.95, but his bones are good, and he was nice and clean on the inside, and his lid works and everything. So I am going to redo him for my sister, so stay tuned for that. I got so much stuff, y'all. Let me find somewhere to put it. And then I found this adorable pot, and it just a hint, y'all, if you donate something to Goodwill, clean it out. The inside of this is so nasty, so I'm gonna have to clean it. But it has embossed snowflakes on it, so I'm gonna paint it and then dry brush over the the snowflakes, and use this for my Christmas tree. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be doing that when I do the snowman, which will be after this video. But I thought that was really cute, and I paid $1.95 for that. That one out the way. And then here's the last Christmas thing, and I paid $2.95 for this one, and I don't have to do a thing to this one but clean it up a little bit, give it a good scrub. It's just so pretty. And I'm going to put this on my coffee bar. So, and when I get my kitchen all decorated, I'm going to give y'all a little tour of it if y'all are interested. So, and now this is one more Christmas thing, y'all. Let me put it up here. And I don't know if I've showed this before or not, but I got this cute picture frame with flip-flops on it. And I know y'all going, that's not Christmas. Well, I'm going to make this Christmas. I made my sister the big believe sign to go over her fireplace. So I'm going to make me, I don't have a fireplace unfortunately, but I do have a spot in my living room where I can hang this. So I'm going to redo this in Christmas and put it in there. So put this over here. And for everybody who's asked about my cow picture, Bessie here came from Walmart. But if you're looking for one or you like cows or farm animals, y'all have got to go to Hobby Lobby. I'm not sponsored by Hobby Lobby, but if Hobby Lobby wants to sponsor, I'll be it. But wants to sponsor somebody, they can sponsor me. But they have the most beautiful cow prints and pig prints and farmhouse prints, and they're all half price, or they were this past weekend. So y'all go check them out. It was all I could do not to just have this whole kitchen covered in cow prints. So, but I did get Bessie from Walmart, and I think I paid about $35 for her, but I do love Bessie. We might have to do Bessie over for Christmas, or temporarily. Okay, so now on to just the plain Goodwill stuff I got. Well, my sister actually got this. This big knife and fork. We remember our grandma had big plastic ones. I know they were plastic, hanging on her wall forever. And we saw these and my sister just had to have them. They do have a little bit of damage on the side here and here. And this one has a little broken neck, but I think I can fix them. So I'm going to do these over for her so she can hang them in her kitchen. But and these are good and heavy, so I don't know where these originally came from. Then I got this cute little tin. The knife and fork, the spoon and the fork she paid $3 for. And I got this cute little container here for $1.95. And I thought I would do this, paint it over, and I put it in my bathroom and put my bath bombs in it, or some kind of toiletries or something in my bathroom. So I thought that was really cute. And I can't pass up a tin, y'all. If I see a tin, I have to buy it. I got this cute one for $2.95. I'm going to try to fix this and paint it. It needs a good cleaning and a good, maybe paint it white and distress it a little bit. But I thought I might use this in the kitchen somewhere. But it's really cute. $2.95, and there's no rust on it. I can't see any damage. And then another planter. This one was $1.99. And I just love the embossed thing on it. So I'm going to paint this up. And I may use this in my living room. Or I may put plants in it. I'm not sure yet, y'all. But it was just too cute to leave for $1.99. And I think that is all of my Goodwill haul. Now let's get to the Dollar Tree stuff. Let me get my bag. It's got just a few things, but I got these cute little pink dog blankets. I'm not dog blankets. These are gonna be dog blankets. They I looked at them in Dollar Tree and I saw that they were 100% polyester, so I can do sublimation printing on this. So I'm gonna fix these every year for Christmas. Since I have a very small family and it's a lot smaller this year. So we kind of give presents to each other's dogs, so just so we have something to, to open, and Christmas isn't over in 2 minutes. So I'm going to fix these for my sister's 2 dogs. Put them little personalized doggy blankets for them. And I got these cute little mini glass bottles. These are adorable. I've seen people, well, maybe there's a smaller size, but this is the smallest one I could find. We're going to see what we can do. I might make these into Christmas ornaments. I'm not sure, but if I do, y'all will see them. So, anyway, what else have I got? Oh, I found these cute Santa socks. And these Santa socks are going to be used in the DIY, so stay tuned for that. And I did get a few food items. I have heard that these are the best cookies in the world. They taste like Girl Scout cookies. As y'all know, that I'm trying to be keto. I had a hard time when Mama was sick and everything, so I was eating like crazy. But now I'm back on the keto, low carb. Well, I say keto, but it's actually, I don't do keto, strict keto. I do low carb. I try to stay as low carb as I can. So I've been not eating any sugar are carbs, but I will eat some of these cookies Christmas. So I got these cookies, and then for a little stocking stuffer for my son, I got him the chocolate covered Nutter Butters. And my sister and I are going to be making hot chocolate bombs, which I had no idea what they were till I saw a YouTube video, and that apparently I need to be on Instagram because they're supposed to be all over Instagram and they're the hottest thing in the world. But anyway, we're going to try to make some, and if we don't destroy my kitchen, we will video it. Y'all can see how we do it. But I got these cute sweet Christmas marshmallows. They're 3 different shapes. I think it's candy canes, snowmen, and Christmas trees. So we're going to put those in our hot chocolate bombs if it works. And then I found this cute little bathtub with, with bath bombs in it, but I actually got it for the tub. I don't have much faith in the bath bombs. I have had no luck with bath bombs from Dollar Tree. They usually don't fizz and they don't have any smell. Any brand I have tried. So if y'all know of one that works good, let me know. But these are glitter bath bombs actually, so we'll have to see. I'll let y'all know. But anyway, I got this little bathtub. I thought this would go nice in my dollhouse, so I got that. And then I picked up some of the colored floral wire. I love this stuff. It's good and nice and sturdy. And I picked up some, and they're in a tangle, so I'm not going to untangle them right now. But I got the little dangly snowflake ornaments. It's 2 in a pack for $1, and they're all mushed up. And then I saw this cute little llama banner. I thought it was adorable, so I picked it up. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet. It's not quite my Christmas color, so I don't think I'll be able to put it in my Christmas decorations. And then I picked up this cute little scratch art glitter pad. My son is an artist, and I usually give him some kind of art kit as a joke for Christmas, or, you know, paint by number or something like that. And I think it's funny. He doesn't. But anyway, I got that for him. And I got this cute magnet. My llama doesn't like you, and yeah, my llama don't like you, and she likes everyone. That really should say my llama doesn't like you, but anyway, it's not grammar. It's cute anyway. So I got that. And the find of the day for me was actually, I found these candlesticks, which I just love. And the good thing about these is you can use it this way with the round part on the top, or you can flip it over and use it with the square part on top. So I think those are really cool. I got 2 of those. And I was able to find some of the Hard Candy Mod Quad eyeshadow. It's called Ivy League. It's a really pretty color, so I picked that up. And that's it. That is my Dollar Tree Christmas ornament Goodwill haul. So y'all stay tuned. I will have DIYs coming up real soon. And remember, y'all, Christmas is coming. Make memories. You never know how much time you have. So love y'all. See you next time. Bye bye.